With a single tap, your entire contact list is gone. It's terrifying. And standard iCloud recovery erases all data on your phone to recover them. There must be a better way. With Gbyte, you can scan for free and recover deleted contacts, as well as other data like photos, text messages, and data from other apps. The key is that you can selectively recover only what you want. With Gbyte, it's all simple. Choose Recover and explicitly select the Contacts category. Sign in, select your backup, and start scanning. Scanning is completely free. See? Every recovered contact is previewed here. Now, simply select the contacts you need and restore them directly to your iPhone. No data will be lost. Your other data will be safe and sound. Data recovery, accurate and error-free. Don't risk a complete reset. Just recover what you lost. The free scan will show you everything to recover. Have you ever lost important contacts? Share your experience in the comments below. Let's help each other.